Welcome to the studio. Well, in this video, we are going to be testing out the FlexTail, and we're going to see how well it actually performs, test out how well it actually pumps up stuff, and how diverse it is, and is it actually worth getting, because it's supposed to be ultralight. Well, let's get straight into the video. Yeah, buddy. I have to say this in all my videos, but I'm not sponsored by any of these pieces of equipment that you see in my video, and it's just me testing out different backpacking equipment and giving you my own opinion. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, but at least it's my honest opinion. But if you like videos like this where I'm out there backpacking and testing out new different gear, I usually post on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And if you're into that gear stuff like I am, you might want to hit that subscribe button and follow along. Again, this is Coach Bill 315. Let's get back to the video. This is the FlexTail. So before we get into all the different specs and the different tests, I like to show you some of the components that it actually comes with. Now it comes with all these different adapters, and I'll show you how to use these adapters in just a moment. And it's kind of crazy that I still actually have the box, actually cut off the box and just kept the different adapters over here. This is the FlexTail, and it actually comes off. Now I did struggle actually trying to get this thing off, and I had to actually put some WD-40 on here, and I just sprayed it along here, and then it was able to actually screw it on pretty easily. But it did take me a while. I was trying to make this video, I'm like, wow, I can't even get this thing off. It's a pretty nice mechanism. It looks pretty sharp. You hit this button, and you can feel that air blowing pretty rapidly. So the air comes into here and then comes out over here. So let's dive into some of the stats, and then we can actually start testing this out. We're going to take a total weight on this, and this is the air pump, and we're going to place it right on there. We're looking at 1.77. it's in ounces, and for the gram counters, 50 grams. And let me take this thing apart. So these two pieces right here are going to weigh 1.2 ounces, and that's what's advertised on the piece of paper. So that's what it claims to be, and yes, that's what it is. And for the gram counters, we're looking at 34 grams. I want to weigh the battery itself. We're looking at 0.57. it's in ounces, and grams, 16 grams. Now I think it's important to also weigh these two adapters, because these are the adapters that I actually use on my thermarest. One's the old school style, this one right here, and then this is the newer model. So I'm going to put this on there. We're looking at 0.32 ounces, and then the total weight together, we're looking at 2.1 ounces for this mechanism to actually work. And then for the other one, let's see if it's much of a difference. 0.32 ounces, and together 2.08 ounces for this mechanism to actually work. Now let's get into some of the testing on this. So now we are going to test a speed test on how fast this can actually blow up this air mattress. I'm going to connect this on, and as soon as I hit this button, I'm going to start the timer. Okay, it's on, and let's hit start. And we're just going to wait and let this thing blow up and see how fast it actually blows up. It looks to be about 1 minute and 10 seconds. Alright, well that's pretty inflated if you ask me. Next test, test number 2. So this is another version of the thermarest Neo Air, but it's the short version. So right here is my clock. I'm going to plug this thing on. As soon as I hit the button, we're going to start the clock. Alright, stop. We have 44 seconds. Not too shabby, right? And disapprove it to you. Nice and firm. Alright, next test. Now let's get into how to use it. When I get ready to go backpacking, I typically take this rubber ring and just wrap it around, and that's going to stay on there nice and snug. And then when I get ready to use it, I can just clamp it on, and it's ready to go. Because the last thing you want to do is lose this piece, and then you have an air pump and you can't blow up your air mattress. So you just push this thing on, and then you slide this on right here, Then you just hit this button and it blows it up. Pretty simple to use. Now, right here is a pro tip. So it's already blown up, and then you can just take this and turn it in, and it locks it in place. That's simple to use. So how do you charge this thing? Great question. Well, simple. Take this piece off, pull out the battery, and you're gonna notice on this battery, there's a little C adapter. You're actually gonna take a C adapter and actually plug it in. And when you do so, you're gonna see some red lines or red lights right up here. Once these red lights turn green, you know that it's fully charged. You can also pair it up with a battery bank. So imagine if you're out there backpacking and this thing actually dies. So you got your battery bank, and then you just take it and you plug it in, and again you can see the red lights, and we'll wait for it to turn green. Why might you actually want to buy this? Well, picture this. Imagine if you're hiking all day long and you're tired, you're fatigued. Last thing you want to do is go to camp and then have to blow and blow and blow and inflate your air mattress. With this little FlexTail that weighs about 2 ounces, you just plug this thing on and it blows up by itself. And typically what I do is when it's inflating, I'll go out and I'll hang a bear bag, and then I'll come back and it's already inflated. And I don't have to worry about this thing actually blowing up your air mattress, because it doesn't. It doesn't have that much air power to actually blow in to actually make it expand and blow up. But yeah, this is my one luxury item that I do take when I go backpacking. So if you like this kind of video, like where I'm testing out different stuff, you might want to check out some of these other videos. And again, I'm Coach Bill 305, and I am out of here. Yeah, buddy.
Let's scale for the win. Woo, woo, woo. Cool sound effects, right?